My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I am doing my February BoxyCharm unboxing, and I will get into what BoxyCharm is if you live under a rock, how much it is, and all of that if you just keep on watching. Also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because it is free and we all love free things. I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays, and it's not going to hurt you to hit that subscribe button. Also, my giveaway did end and I noticed that I lost 2 subscribers, but I mean, I guess that's just how it works. People only subscribe because they want the free stuff, but what ifs? Okay, so if you live under a rock, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. You get all things beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup, items like that, and depending on which box you get is how much you pay. So I just have the BoxyCharm, like the original box, and it is $25 a month, but depending on what state you're in, you get charged like taxes and stuff. So mine is actually $27 a month, and I believe I get 5 full-size products, but they also have the premium, and then they have the luxe. I don't know. I think they're doing way too much with their BoxyCharm boxes because they just got so many things going on that I feel like eventually the box that I have is going to end up being just like trash, throwaway products. In the last few months, that's what I've kind of been feeling like. Once a month, you are usually able to go on BoxyCharm.com and choose one specific product that you want. So I believe I did get a product that I wanted in this box. I did open my box and I used a few of the items, but anyways, usually whenever you open it up, you are going to get a card every month which has a theme of the box and all of the products that you have received. So this month's theme is a door. So the first thing in the box that we have is this right here. And this is the Evio Skin X Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And this retails for $10, and they're just cleansing wipes. I used these a couple times because I had ran out of makeup wipes, and I used them on my makeup looks to kind of just clean up my eyeshadow. They were okay, nothing like crazy. I don't really like cleansing wipes, I just like makeup removing wipes. But I mean, I'm always in for new makeup remover wipes. Next thing in the box is this product right here, which I believe I do already have one that I received from KASS, and this is a First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. It says helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And this retails for $16, so already I'm at $26 for the month, and I pay $1 more than that. And this is just really good too. It has lactic and glycolic acid, and it really helps to exfoliate and tone and brighten. And I've also heard that this will actually really make you break out, so I want to try it just so I can get all my texture gone. Next item in the box is this Ciao London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This retails for $22, and lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciao London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. It looks like it's going to be extremely stark white. I mean, is this right here, and this is the item that I chose last month. So this is the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides. It's for smoothing and firming. And this retails for $98, and it says, Kate specifically formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed-looking skin. After just 1 week, 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. I don't really need firming anything, but it's cool to have. I'll probably try it once or twice, and then if there's not a huge difference, like I said, I don't really need it, so I would probably just send it to my mom because she loves skincare. She doesn't like to buy it, but she loves skincare. And then the last item in the box are these brushes, and if you've been watching all of my BoxyCharm unboxings, I absolutely love receiving boxes in my BoxyCharm, and these are the Alamod Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio, and this retails for $36. And let's see what kind of brush it is. They come wrapped in plastic, and then they have mesh netting. Whoa. Okay, probably shouldn't do that, huh? I always love receiving brushes from BoxyCharm because then I don't have to buy it. And you get a complexion brush, and I love using these types of brushes for blush. And then you get a bronzer brush. I feel like this is too big for bronzer, so I would really use this either for bronzer or powder. And then this is a brightening brush, so probably for highlighting. But I would love to use this to set underneath my eye. But yeah, like I said, these feel really soft, and I do love receiving brushes in my BoxyCharm. And Alamod Cosmetics has really good stuff. So let me calculate the price of the box. The total of the box is $182, and that is well over the price that I pay. So that's honestly the reason why I haven't canceled BoxyCharm yet, is because it gives me the chance to try a bunch of products that I wouldn't go out and buy myself or purchase myself. So I'm able to explore new brands and stuff like that, and because it's cheap. But I don't just want to also receive like throwaway products. That's no thanks. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.
Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it.